So right now we are on the road to this Mclaren meet up near Philly, and it's actually in like Westchester area. So we'll see you guys when you get there. We're gonna see some nice McLarens, probably some other stuff too. We'll see what's up with it. Y'all see it? We're almost there. What are we? There it is right there, guys. We gotta cross this busy ass highway though. There's the first little side lot. Nice little M3. Of course. Super okay. Shit's clean. Even. It's clean as S5. Say what's up, man. What's up to the DriftTweakers? Shout it out. Yeah. Hellcat out here. Hear the can. You hear that cat, bro? You hear that cat? You hear that cat up there, bro?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You see them M8s right there?
There's a C5 owner right there.
Shit's over there if you want to look at it.
All right, go check it out. Y'all know, y'all seen that one before.
It's next to a fucking classic, man.
Carrera. Got Beamers out here. Ooh. Look at this lineup right here, bro. Shit's clean. Damn, GT350. Scat. Some Stangs over here. Ooh, this mirror is clean. Got a bunch of shit out here. Benz on some radials. Okay. This shit is mad clean right here. Sheesh. It's a 63. They got this intakes, that's clean.
Double box body,
There is the C5 right there, guys. We told you to come see it. There's Mike's car. And got some clean ass. Get on the ZX right here. Blue. Other Fox body. Shit's clean. This white Hellcat is really nice, you guys. Just on the slicks in the back. Shit. Shit. Got the bikes out. Okay. Got a Beamer. Another Mustang over here. Let's see what's up with this one. This thing is lower. Real nice. 5 over here. Always gotta show love to the E92 M3s. I wanted this car. Yeah. I wanted this car, honestly. I never got it though. Yeah, the E92s. I love them. Yo. This one's auto though. But still, he's got the carbon lip right here. Ooh, diffuser. These things sound nice. Probably like the best sounding Beamer V8, in my opinion. Got a Cobra right here. Type R. WRX right here. It's pretty clean. Manual too. Stingray. Got a V over here. Let's see, we got the sedan. That's pretty nice. I mess with it. This nice Ferrari right here. What's this one again? This is the you know what model this is? California T. How could I forget, man? I'm not so good on my Ferraris, but C8 right here. New Porsche. Clean ass McLaren right here. I fuck with this color. This paint. It's crazy. Bentley. Just kind of showing you what they got out here at the McLaren dealership. Bunch of McLarens right here. You see they got the whole circle. Damn. Is this the next cop, y'all? I think so. It's pretty clean. What should you say? Say 765 OT. This shit's clean. And this is a McLaren F1, y'all.
20.5 million.
Never seen this yet. Sells for like 20 million. That's what I heard. Hell yeah. So this is the lineup in the front right here. We got these three. And these four right here. Porsche in there too. See it? Got the fucking 350 gang. Shout out Caleb. Shout out all the 350 people, man. Got a Bentley out here. Lambo. Shit's so cool.
Yep.
I fuck with Aventador. Shit's dope. Rear engine Ferrari right here. Shit's clean. Manual too. Look at the front. Look how it's shaped. Never see these.
Look at this red.
It's shiny. Looks like a whole rainbow. I think this is wrapped too, right? Looks like it. Could just be, nah, it's probably paint, but it looks like it could be a wrap. That's cool. Buddy already pulling in. There's like some cars that are taking off. Of course, we got the Lambo truck out here, man. Here we go with the Gallardo. So clean. You don't see a lot of these out here no more. And the Porsche. But this is about pretty much wrapping up the meet, y'all. I mean, we've pretty much seen everything. It's a cool little meet, you know, at a McLaren dealership. You don't see like all these modded up cars and stuff. Some, but not like the tuner meets and stuff like that. There'll definitely be some more content like that soon for you guys. Just going everywhere. Different meets, different events.